Welcome to a practical guide to article master data in SAP IS-Retail. I'm Johan Bierling, an SAP IS-Retail consultant and implementation specialist. I've worked on retail projects across fashion, FMCG, and logistics, and in this course I'm going to show you exactly how article master data works in SAP, from configuration all the way through to a live purchase order. After completing this course, you'll be able to create single and generic articles in SAP IS-Retail from scratch, set up merchandise categories and variant configuration for fashion, manage listing, pricing, and promotions, and understand how the full retail procurement flow connects from article creation to goods receipt. The course walks you through the SAP retail organizational structure, then builds up to full article master creation in MM41, including generic articles with color and size variants. We cover assortments, retail pricing with VKP5, promotions, and store connectivity. Every section includes a system demo in a live SAP environment, and the course comes with a full set of reference documents you can use on the job. This course is designed for SAP consultants moving into retail projects, functional analysts working with article master data, and business users who want to understand the SAP IS-Retail article creation process end-to-end. If you're ready to master SAP IS-Retail article data, enroll now and get started today.